Sir Felix Azon, to the head teachers of different departments of Surigao High, to the education officer, to the faculty and staff of Surigao High, to the officials of Barangay Washington headed by Barangay Captain Mr. Christopher Bonite, ably represented by Ma'am Virginia Loyo, to the officers of the Parents Teachers Association, headed by the President, Sir Romeo Trapin Jr., to our guest speaker, Dr. Lady Ren Ibarra, and of course to the proud parents and our stars of the day, the completers of Surigao High, ladies and gentlemen, Maayong Buntag! Congratulations, our young dreamers of Surigao High, on successfully completing your junior high journey. Take a moment to look around. These are the people who played a significant role in helping you reach this educational milestone. And with that, akong hangyoon ang akong mga completers karon nga magtindog. Please